2.37, Unit 12B.
It's the deepest place on the earth, and before now, nobody has ever been to the bottom. But the film director and National Geographic explorer James Cameron has travelled down to the bottom of the Mariana Trench. With me in the studio is our science expert, Jenny Walters, to tell us how he did it.
Good evening.
So, Jenny, first of all, how deep is the Mariana Trench?
It's 11 kilometers to the bottom. That's a long way down.
Indeed. And how long did the journey take?
James Cameron took over 2 hours to get to the bottom, and then he spent about 4 hours down there.
And how did he travel there? In some kind of submarine?
That's right. It was a special one-man submarine.
I see. How big is it exactly?
It's 7 meters long, but it has a big engine, so there isn't much space for a human.
So, you're in a small space and it's dark down there. I couldn't do it. How well could he see?
It's very dark, but the submarine has lights, of course. So Cameron could see small sea creatures. He described it as a desert. He also had film cameras on the submarine, and he plans to make a 3D film about the adventure.
And, of course, he isn't the first explorer, is he? How many other explorers have been there?
There was one other. Don Walsh went down in 1960, but he didn't go to the bottom. In fact, he was on the ship when Cameron went down.
Wow! How old is he now?
I think he's in his 80s.
That's amazing. And I have one last question that everyone wants to know the answer to. How much did James Cameron spend on this? Thousands? Millions?
I'm afraid I don't know. But films like Titanic and Avatar made a lot of money at the cinema. So I think he could afford it.